Let me help you.
Mama, yay!
Who's there? Who's at the door?
Babysitter. We know babysitter.
She's at the door. Do you know the password?
Yes, I do. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. I see you. Hi there, little buddy. Oh, guess what I have for you? Oh, no. Whoa. Knock, knock. Who's there? Who's at the door?
It's your daddy.
We know Daddy. Daddy's at the door. Do you know the password?
Yes, I do. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. I see you. Hi, sweetie. Remember, don't open the door to strangers.
Never.
That's right. I've got you, bud.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Who's at the door? It's your grandma. I know Grandma. Grandma at the door. Do you know the password? Yes, I do. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knockity, knock, knock, knock.
I got presents. Oh, hello, everyone. Merry Christmas. I'm looking for Jack, Jill, and Baby John. Oh, I know you.
Oy, makikita na ka, naggatas ka. Ay,
This one's for you.
Mama Santa! Santa!
hello, good evening.
Parang
Isang pang mandi bang
Oo, dad. Pa, nung... Kailan ba nung umuwi siya? September. October, November, December, January. November, December. Ay, October. October pala siya nakauwi. October. Natingga siya dun ng 1 month. September 21. End ng contract niya.
TV.
Tapos, naghintay siya ng 1 month para sa salary.
Okay, mommy. Too much screen time is bad for you.
Ikaw, kailan ka bakasyon, dad? Tara, punta tayo sa Ilocos Norte.
Holly's in Dreamland. It's a challenge to see who can go bigger, Holly or Dino. Oops, they've eaten all the food. They're in the mall hunting for more food. Oh. Holly, no, you're scaring people. You're gonna pop if you keep eating so much. Dino's eating everything on the
There's
shelf.
something left in my head.
Now they're taking other people's food. No, Polly, don't eat the old apple core. Dino's out of control and wants to eat everything it sees. Watch out, Polly. No, Polly, don't copy Dino. Careful, Mom. Dino might eat you. This is my mom.
Pag ganun ka, ala!
Polly.
Tumalakot ako live. Naku, nagsulpong kalaki din ayan.
Wake up. Mommy, you haven't been eaten. Instead of sleeping, you play the phone. I had a terrible dream because of the game. Let's read a bedtime story instead. Small children only use a smartphone. But 7 minutes a day. So bad, the brain is not overloaded. Playing while eating.
Ala. Alam mo man. Anong araw? Oo. Nung dumating siya, pinatrabaho niya.
What is it, Penny? Come on, kids, let's get the key.
Hi, DJ Maharot. Hello.
To escape. Okay, is there a key inside?
Ay, punyeta.
The blue key, but
Ang kaman kitaan.
drop it in the water.
Ba't pumandata nga pusa?
Mama, tingnan siya, bote nga!
Isaram datan, isaram. Isaram ka doon.
No, it's a rubber duck. We need to keep looking.
Puntay ko mag-gamentigaton. Okay.
Where's this going?
Ano ka na?
Cute people.
Nagkukuan siya, nag-aalaga ng hayop, tapos nagtatanim,
Up, Carrot.
nagagarden. Tapos nagtatanod siya sa gabi.
Clues. But can you reach them? There's not enough bounce.
Tinataniman niya yung kuan, yung lupa ng kapatid niya.
You try, Carrot.
Mag-bait na ka lang ah.
Nya?
Good shot.
Inyo kumabantayam dito. Pumano ka ditandang ka nga matudok.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
What's behind the cover?
Nakaalis na.
Quick, kids. Follow Cherry.
Ato ko Krista King.
Ha, nadaal-al yan taking. Sige, adakat dito.
Totoo daw mo to. Makakasta na ako.
Kataon man to, okay na, nagtanga pusa man. Isa raman tatawa dito.
Sa kaas na kayo. Ta.
Oo, nakauwi siya nung kwan. Umuwi siya nung October. Bale, 3 months na siya dito. November, December, January. Magti 3 months. Umuwi siya kwan mga October. Na-miss na ako eh. Oh, nag 1 year lang siya. Mahirap kasi buhay dun. Hindi libre wifi. Tapos kuwan. Bawal pa magluto. Wala mapupunta. Hindi ka makakaipon pag gano'n. Ikaw dyan ka na. Tatanda ka na dyan sa ako.
Tapos tapos na siya sa.
Sayang yung lahi mo. Mag-e-expired. Diyan ka na ma-expire. Eh? Ano ba yan? O ano? Paano? Huwag na, ganyan na lang. On lang dito sa kuhan sa YouTube.
Soda.
Water's a better choice on a hot day.
Nagla-livestream ako sa ibang apps. Wala na ako kuhan eh. Tingnan yung mga thumbnail, tas din rin ako nag-edit na mga video. Pinagdidikit-dikit ko lang mga video, walang mga effect-effect. Mas malaki pang kita sa live stream eh. Kasi dito. Ilang years na ako dito sa YouTube, di ko pa natitikman. Dad, magpa-member ka nga.
But some water will make you feel better.
Di pa ako nakasahod dito, nasa $80 pa lang ako. Kaya nga nagla-live ako eh. Everyday ako nagla-live kahit minsan ilang minutes lang. Para at least maka-update, di ba? O, tapos tumaas yung subscriber.
Broccoli.
Dati ko eh, pumunta lang sa 290. 2,090 lang yung ko eh, mga subscriber. Pero nung nag-live ako, Marami nang dumidikit. Kahit hindi na ako nangingisda. Mga taga-ibang bansa. Kahit naman mag-focus ako dito, nako, wala. Magpa-member ka nga, Dad. Sige na.
Eat some veggies.
Sana ulo nga, nakita ko, binisita ko yung kwan mo, yung bahay mong, laki na ng bahay mo eh. Dad, pa-member ka na, sige na. Okay, magpalipad ka. Happy New Year at saka Merry Christmas na rin.
Finish the challenge.
May kon nga ako nga eh, may live ako, mabot pa ng kwan eh, 5K.
When is that one? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ay, kwan yun eh, nung December 31 ata. Wow, sana all, naka 8 million ka.
Penny are playing a video game.
Basta tuloy-tuloy ang live dito at saka basta tuloy-tuloy ang live, maraming nagiging viewers na.
Hurry, Pit, or it'll catch you.
Saan ka na naman galing?
Oh no, game.
Sabi ko sa'yo, uwi ka na ng Pinas eh. Diyan ka na ma-expert sa ibang bansa. Bahala ka. Hindi mo maikakalat yung lahi mo.
This gives Pit an idea.
Secret.
He'll just eat the cookie.
Popo. Popo, bolo, tapos kuwan. Ano pa ba yung isa? Taka. Hindi na ako nagkukumo. Mahirap nang kumita sa kumo.
Mommy's trapped and needs help.
Ay, ilang ulit na, Dad.
Monster. Pit is losing energy. What are you going to do, Penny?
Give us strength.
You can power up on healthy snacks like cheese.
$10 yung nakuha doon, nakaka-cash out.
Now you have more energy. Yay! You saved Mommy! Victory! It's the final round. The kids must defeat the evil bag of chips. Kid lost some energy. Watch out! Super Mommy to the rescue! help you?
I will help you, Mommy.
Okay, Pit and Penny, it's your turn. You won! You won the game! Mommy has a special treat for you. An altitude makes you strong. Healthy foods like eggs. Yum! Have fun, kids. Penny has set up a cool fort to play in. It's my color. The color picker will choose your color.
Let's check it out.
Pit landed on pink. Pink again. Penny gets the black toys. And Pit gets the pink ones. There's even a pink fort for Pit. Sorry, Pit. You can only play with pink cars. Right there. Now you can play with the pink car. Penny made a spider web. And Pit made cotton candy. Penny has a black blow-up mattress.
Ikaw mo pala lugan tag hello guys man ni mama.
Okay, dapat ganyan.
Aglay pala bit ni mama.
Nagtapos sa man eh.
Pit will dye his mattress pink.
Tang ang kampapantan ni mama ko ni mama.